Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you, back with another Edabit problem. This one's called return the remainder from two numbers. So this problem, it's basically going to ask for two arguments of the function to return the remainder of the numbers. So the remainder, it's speaking about doing modular arithmetic. So you would do 1 module 3 and you would get 1, 3 module 4, you get 3. So to get more information about this uh, modular arithmetic and what symbol to use in C++, you can go to resources, arithmetic operators, and you can see all the operators that are used in C++. So this is going to be the operator that we're going to use. It looks like the percentage sign. That's going to give you the answer to the remainder of the two numbers. And if you want more examples, which is going to be on C++ program to find quotient remainder, it's going to lead you to this, and it's going to help you understand more on how to do it. It'll be a really good way to, this is a really good resource to really fully grasp the concept. Well, let's get back to the problem. And in the code, as you see, uh, you can just return x modular y, and it's going to pass all the tests that we have. What we could also do is you can again do name a variable for the number, and you could be like int remain is equal to x modular y, and then you return remain, and it should give you the same kind of result that we had from just returning x module y. As you can see, it passed all the tests. Thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Edabit videos.